right, hi guys. I'm here trying to help you since you are trying to do this from home and not able to be here and face to face with us. So I'm Mrs. Bowerson and I can't wait to meet you once you get back to school. Until then, I'm going to try to help you figure out how to guide and navigate from home. So you should have got an email from me with my class website, which would be this. It should look a lot like this. On my class website are useful links that you may need, the syllabus, and then links to the Google Classrooms that are located down here. You're going to need to sign up for whichever hour you're in, whether it be ELA 10 or Careers or both. You'll find that information further along in the video. So, excuse me. So what you need to know is that up here there are tabs on my website depending on which class you're in. I'm going to start with ELA 10 first. If you click ELA 10, you'll notice that it has a weekly checklist for week 1, in addition to some materials for the week 1. If you open week 1, here is how it will always look from me, a weekly checklist. So like today, we looked at my introduction video and slide. We talked about the website, which is what you're looking at now. We signed up for Google Classroom, which you can find the codes over here depending on which hour you are. And we played just a get to know you game. Tomorrow, we're going to do the pre-test. That will be on Illuminate, so you can feel free to just go ahead and breeze through that. We're going to sign up for Khan Academy, Edpuzzle, and Padlet. Those are all links that are on that main homepage of my website. Please use your school email to sign up for these sites. The next thing we're going to do is we have notebooks. You'll have to get your own notebook for ELA. In your notebook, you're going to create a table of contents, and you're going to use this Google document to create that table of contents. You can take a picture of that and submit that on Google Classroom once it's finished. We're going to set up our folder as well, which is something you'll have to do when you get back. On Wednesday, we're going to talk about discussion boards because we're going to be using discussion boards in here. So here is a link to the discussion board expectations, which you can read over yourself. And then you may go on Google Classroom and participate in the discussion board. Now that can be found on Google Classroom under the Assignments tab under Week 1. So you will go to the Google Classroom page, you will click Classwork, and here's your Week 1 assignments. And then here is your discussion board assignment. Notice this is where you'll turn in your picture of the table of contents from your notebook. And this is where you'll do your discussion question. Notice there's also an About Me video submission. That's a different assignment. On Wednesday, we're also going to create a Padlet of About Me. I have an example Padlet that I forgot to put the link to right here, but you will have the link there when you open it because I'm going to add that right now. So you'll view mine, and then you'll go ahead and make your own. You'll then have to use Screencast-O-Matic to create a video, like I am right now, talking about yourself using your Padlet. So say my Padlet has pictures of dogs on it. I would explain that these are my favorite types of dogs, and then I would list them off. It's basically just an About You video for me using Padlet. If you have any questions, let me know. It's pretty user-friendly, pretty easy to do. Thursday, everybody's going to be working on their Padlet, and they'll have to turn it in by the end of the hour. And Friday, there's no school. So that's pretty much what we're doing for ELA 10. If you have any questions, please email me. Now I'm going to move on to Careers 10. Okay, you'll notice I'm back to the original Google site, my main page here. I'll then go up to the Careers 10 tab, which will take us to our Careers 10 page. I have it set up mostly like I do for ELA. You'll click on Week 1, and it will open with what we are doing that day and the links you'll need to do that. Welcome back, obviously, I went over some more welcome back stuff. Went over my website, which we're already doing. You'll need to sign up for your Google Classroom, which would be right here. You need to sign up for some different things. We can talk about those later. You should already be signed up for Padlet from your English portion. Illuminate, hopefully you already have that login. And Zello is something that we can talk about when you get. On Tuesday, you're going to go on Illuminate and complete the pretest. You're then going to have a lesson on SMART goal setting. The video lesson link is right here, so that's the lesson you'll need to watch. You'll then have an assignment to create your own SMART goals. Here is the assignment. You'll need to make a copy of it for yourself, complete it, and then turn it in on Google Classroom. Wednesday, we're going to do a class activity where you change dumb goals into SMART goals, which you won't be here for. So you'll move on to the assignment, creating a dream board that displays your SMART goals using Padlet. Here's an example of mine. If you click on it, you can take a look at what that's supposed to look like. You'll turn that in on Google Classroom as well. On Thursday, you're going to read an article about why people don't achieve their goals, and here's the article link. Your assignment would be to use the discussion board, so once again, that's going to be on Google Classroom under the Assignments tab, to answer the question in 3 to 5 sentences and use your real life as an example. On Friday, there is no school, so that's that. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I tried to do the best I could to quickly explain it to you in this video. If you need anything, email me or get a hold of me in some other way. I hope that helps. Have a great day.